play. We like having so much fun. It's the Angel and Mommy Show. The Angel and Mommy Show.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Fidget toys.
Hey guys. So guys, before we get started, remember to
Click that bell,
turn on notifications, and give us a big thumbs up. Okay, Angel, so are you ready to get started?
Yeah!
All right, guys. So guys, we are unboxing fidgets from Amazon. So guys, we are going to show you guys what we got together. All right.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. So here is our Amazon box. Here is the toys and the fidgets that came inside of Angel's Amazon box. And we're going to get ready to open it. So, guys, we're going to open this together. Okay, Angel, so let's get started. Let's open this together.
Okay, guys. There's no tape on here.
It's no tape, so we're going to try to get this open while you guys are on here with us. Uh-oh.
Oh!
Hold on, Angel. Let's...
Okay, guys. I'm just gonna...
Hold on, let's open this side now.
Guys! Woo!
Oh, wow. What is that?
This is like a slingshot.
Yeah, that's a chicken slingshot. Guys, look at all the gadgets that Angel has. Oh my goodness, Angel, this is so exciting. So guys, we're going to take everything out of the box and we're going to show you what she has.
Have another chicken. I have a puppy.
Oh, guys, look at Angel's puppy.
I have a pop too.
Wow, and guys, she has two puppies. Wow.
I have a
Angel.
pop too, guys.
Oh, look at the pop tube.
Look, guys.
Wow. Okay.
Whoa.
She also has, what are these, Angel? Are these Slinkies?
Yeah.
She has Slinkies with
In their
some,
faces.
yes, and some faces. All right, Angel, what else do you have in here? Oh, you have another puppet?
This is not.
What is this?
You spin it around, then you connect it.
Okay. Oh, you can stretch this.
Guys, I'm gonna call my cousin.
Look, guys. So she has
Oh, a little boob unicorn.
look at the unicorn. And this one is pink.
Mommy, this one's blue.
And she has a blue unicorn. And you can stretch this
Hey
gadget.
guys, this feels so good.
All right.
Oh, we have more chicken.
More chicken slingshots.
We have more chicken.
Oh, look at this thing.
Oh,
And
what is this?
this is a heart-shaped gadget.
I think you spin this one around.
You can spin that one around. And this one, you put these little balls inside. And it's almost like a maze. Can you guys see that? Guys, like I said, we got all of these gadgets from Amazon. Oh, guys, look how cool this is.
Guys, you know you do it this left.
Wow, Angel. And guys, she has so many other things left inside of this box.
We have another one.
Oh, you have yellow, blue, and pink.
And we have
Another heart-shaped maze. Oh, look at that.
So guys, you see this ball's like a ball in here? And if y'all can see it, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it goes side and side, up and down.
Yeah, it goes up and down. And what else do we have in our fidget sensory toy box, Angel?
What is this?
Wow, what is that? It says it's a cube.
Can you see it?
All right.
I got it open.
What is that? So guys, this is a cube. And it came inside of this white box.
Guys, look. Put this to the other side and then it goes up and up. Look, guys. Whoa.
Whoa. What else do we have in here?
Guys, look at these things. I don't think it don't turn on.
Guys, this also came inside of the box.
Look, guys.
Oh, that looks very cool.
This, my cousin had this, but now she don't.
Yeah, that's nice. And you can make that into a rectangle shape.
You can make it even to a toilet.
A toilet or a square shape. A toilet. Oh, Angel, show them the L shape that you just made.
And guys, we have something
square
else.
shape.
Guys, this is like the last.
And now it looks like a
This
chair.
is like the last finally thing.
Uh-oh.
A bike chain.
Wow, we have a bike chain.
Guys, I'm gonna open it. That's what it looks like.
So Angel's showing you her bike chain.
You see it, guys?
Nice. So guys, we have so many things from Amazon.
40 stitches.
Guys, we have 40 fidgets.
And guys, I gotta show you how to do this. Let me open it. Mommy, can you open this?
Yes,
for me,
I
please?
can. And guys, Angel's gonna show you guys how to use the slingshot chicken. All right.
Guys, you probably won't see it, but I just gonna pull it like this and then it's gonna go
Yes.
on the ceiling.
It's gonna go really, really fast. So guys, so what you do is you stick your finger in and you pull the bottom and then your chicken flies in the air.
Yep.
All right, Angel, let's show
You put
them.
this finger in.
Yes, and then you take it and guys, watch. Wow!
Whoa!
Guys, look at this. Hey guys, look up in the ceiling. Angel did it. So hey guys, so we hope you enjoyed our fidget unboxing today. So remember to
Good,
that
good,
bell,
good.
turn on notifications, and give us a big thumbs up.
Bye.